Good morning, Math Savannah Banana Rebels. This is April 6th, 2026, and this is your week at a glance.
Morning, Math 3 students. The rule of 7. Seek the truth, hear the truth, learn the truth, love the truth, speak the truth, adhere to the truth, defend it to the death, for the truth will set you free, says that guy. Well, welcome to WAG 13. April 6th to April 10th, 2026. We're doing SBAC testing for the 11th graders. If you want anything to count for the fourth quarter progress reports, those are due next Tuesday. Guys, remember the one after that is going to be a permanent grade. So here we are in the green week. Let me just count the full weeks after this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks for juniors, and freshmen, sophomores, and juniors, and then one less week for seniors. We finished 25% of the fourth quarter, 63% of second semester, and 82% of the school year. 60% or higher to pass the class, so stay away from anything lower than that. That's all. Player detentions. If you have senior friends, I have a video on my YouTube channel, do's and don'ts for the capstone interview, which is happening in about 3 weeks. Juniors, you might want to just watch it because you might forget about it, and then next year you're going to start panicking and you're like, oh yeah, Mr. Ring helps. 1254 subscribers. I noticed that we are 50 off than last semester. I think that's why your grades are not as high as they were last semester, because you guys had earned the lowest quiz and the lowest test score dropped. Shake your head if you think that's true. Okay, this week, today, I want you to focus on the CAT or the multiple choice questions. I only want you to do half today. How much? Okay. And then tomorrow, I want you to finish the other half. Wednesday, I want you to do the performance task. It's a word problem on the computer. So if you do it in 3 minutes, that means like you automatically failed. Thursday, if let's just say you're not finished, it's an untimed test. So if you need like even next week to do it, you can, but you're not just sitting there not doing anything. But Thursday, you'll have time. This room is just to finish MathCast and any other one. So Mr. Kyle is here, and he told me, yes, I do have permission. Once you're finished with all of the math, I can open up all the other tests that you finished. So I think you had English. Have you guys done science? Give me head nods. Okay, so I can open up science if you've been absent. And is there any other ones you have to do? No? Okay, this is the last one. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. So basically not on Wednesday. If you are finished, you have 2 options. If you've done the 15 questions or half, it might be even a little bit more like 17. You can go outside with Mr. Ivan and work on your project, the stat stations, late work. But if you stay inside, you're like, Mr. Ring, I don't want to go outside. I like it. I just want to sit here and do nothing. You can do stuff, but you can't use anything with electronics. So you can't use your Chromebook, you can't use your phone. Does this make sense? The room has to be in a testing environment, and so if you have your electronics out, it's a big issue. So basically that's all we're doing the rest of the week, and then this got covered up on Friday. Your stat stations packet is due. Remember, in your group of 4, you each got a letter A, B, C, and D, and you broke it apart. That means each person only has 1 paper. That's all you're turning in. For you, yourself, is just that 1 packet. The other people will be turning their own letters in, okay? You don't need a packet for each person. It's a packet for a group.
That's all for today, Rebels. Have a mathematical Monday.
Let's grade some work. No work, no score. They showed their work a plus.